Go on viewers and the subbies, bless up first and foremost. And wanna know we are gonna talk about where the description of the video says, so most likely me gonna ask you to subscribe if on the first time. Alright guys, so just to make the long story short, it's like Kaylan mother post a video of her in the hospital. Me gonna share that shortly. But this morning, last night the video shared this morning, Miss Dana go viral on a video, so I'm not gonna help her. I can't help me. I'm not gonna hear people.
Look here, lady, why Kaylan mother should contact me? Kaylan mother have a platform. I don't want, Kaylan mother said people are
Of things Miss Dana do still, so you can't bash her. She another government end of the day, is it? You have enough rich people out there probably see what go on, and them still know. You see me put them on forward, so in the idea, she says she can't still.
And at nursery had to rush in and ask, what did you do? And I said, I was singing to her and I asked her if she wanted to sing this particular song. And, her BP went up and everything just went crazy. And the nurses had to rush in, and that's when we knew she was actually responding to my voice. I still don't know the song, but I'm going to sing what I know. What do you know? That's why I need to get back you are the reason. Losing my sleep. Please come down. And after the mountain, swim in the ocean. Just to be with you. It's what I desire. You to see. You are the reason. There goes my hand. You are the reason. My heart keeps believing. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure that I could feel the dark. To spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. Climb to the mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you. It's what you to see. You are the reason.
Oh, that's nice.
They let me know that I love you more than even myself. The only recent person or thing or being that I've put before you and Giant is God. Prior to that, you were everything for me. And maybe that's the mistake I was making, putting, others before God. But I can tell you this, put God first in every single thing you do, that you can never go wrong when you do that. And He will protect you, He will keep you, He will provide, He will restore, He will renew, He will give everything that you need if you just put Him first. Material things are temporary. Everything else in this world is temporary. Even our flesh is temporary. But God and salvation is eternal. And I want you to think hard and long about it. You're starting a new chapter in your life. You're moving from childhood to adulthood. And the decisions you make now are the ones that are going to determine your future. Everything in life is a choice. You either choose good or you choose bad. And I hope that you choose right. Because no matter where you go in this world, and no matter who you come in contact with, and no matter who the relationships that you form, every choice that you make in life, it's all going to come right back down to you. And how it's going to affect you, and how it's going to prosper you. And let me tell you, God never fails. I have proven that God never fails. No boyfriend never prove God wrong. No friendship with your friends, where you see come now go prove God wrong. No friendship with me now go prove God wrong. Cheyenne now go nobody in this world. God is always gonna be the victor. You're beautiful, you're young, you're strong, tenacious, you fight. You have all the good qualities that you need. You have a very good heart. Just put God first, and everything else will fall in place. I love you, and I wish you many, many, many more years to come. God bless you.
Look here, lady, why Kayla mother should contact me? Kayla mother have a platform. I don't want, Kayla mother say people are threatening her. I don't want nobody find me a Mountain View come shoot me. I helped Kayla mother last year. Please, I see my inbox full up a Kayla mother story. Kayla mother has a platform like me, and whoever write it up, so I must contact Kayla mother. Please use your platform. I am sorry to hear about what happened to Kayla. Tammy did her a marathon last year, and she got 300 and something thousand. There's nothing more Auntie Dana can do for Kayla or Kayla mommy. Kayla mother live in Jamaica. She can find the relevant authority, the Prime Minister, etc. for help. Please stop putting Kayla mother's story into my inbox and on my comment section. I go to my phone and everybody I tell me to help. What must I help Kayla mother do? Some bungles you do on pull. I have enough bungle over here so tie up already. I cannot do anything for Kayla mother. So please, anybody who will write up in my inbox and in my comment, the one on the social media, take it up and join the wagon and ask for help for Kayla mother. I have done my part. I have asked Camilla last year to help Kayla mother, and she raised £14,000 for ratty children them. She raised money for Kayla mother also. Try remember. Tammy raised £14,000 plus the 200,000 where she did send you want to see me give out. She cannot do anything more, and I cannot do anything more. Everything when I throw over here is not the government of Jamaica. And I didn't want to come and discuss it, but I see too much I know. The person will write that comment, please, you have a Facebook page. If you think you can do something for her, please take it up and put it on your page and ask persons to share it. You hear the lady herself say people are threatening to kill her. What kind of mix-up when you want to put me in? That is a police case. That is an investigation case. Please don't come for me with it. I respect Kayla's mother. She's doing the best for her daughter, and she lobbying. I don't want to go over that side of the story. That is not charity. That is not nothing that I am doing. Alright? Please stop putting it in my inbox. And I feel like the same one, I send it in on my phone. Me know Jesus Christ. I mean, it's not the government nor the commissioner of police. Certain things, when in a courthouse, you deal with police, I want to deal with lawyer, not Auntie Dana. Alright. Tommy called me upset about it this morning too. Every minute in the inbox, I tell a message to give me.
Alright guys, and for who still watch, basically Shenzi get feature on the Maiden 22, and who don't know that is like EA Sports games, NFL football thing, you see me? And that is a awesome look, knowing we're Jamaicans and where we really come from, she come from. So she take a look at time, go up the same way in an international space. You see me guys?